Like it, play it, share it, sing it, move it, check it, dedicate it. Like it, play it, share it, sing it, move it, check it, dedicate it. Go zoom it.
Hello guys! You know, as I'm saying hello to you, we are also saying goodbye to the month of August. Well, 2013 इतनी जल्दी निकला है कि हम इमेजिन भी नहीं कर सकते और इतने महीनों में इतने सारे गाने आए हैं और उनमें से कई गाने तो ऐसे हैं जिनको हम दिन रात सुनते हैं और कई गाने ऐसे हैं जो बिल्कुल सुनने लायक भी नहीं है. Well, यहाँ पर ऐसा नहीं होता because here I played your request. Well guys, this is your social jockey Nikita and you're watching Sumit. And let's begin with our first request today, which is Tere Mere Beech Mein, and it's requested by Honey Tweety for Pummy. And unka message is, hey Pummy, missing you a lot and I love you so much dear. Remembering the days I spent with you and was going mad about it. Miss you very much. Hope to see you soon and that we have an awesome time together once again. Wow. Love you a lot Pummy. So Tweety and Pummy के बीच में should be the song. लेकिन प्यार तो बहुत लगता है, which is evident. वैसे प्यार तो परिणीति और सुशांत के बीच भी बहुत लगता है. लेकिन सुशांत doesn't seem to be enough with that. तभी तो you see him romancing with कभी परिणीति या फिर कभी वानी. I think that is called double मजा. I know you guys are curious to know कि आखिर what is Pariniti up to after looking at her. Well, so let's tell you. Pariniti has recently tweeted saying, should Desi romance promotions? So that is her in her Shud Desi avatar promoting Shud Desi romance. Well, moving on, let's see our next request, which is a video request.
Hi, my name is Shrutika and I'd like to dedicate Slowly Slowly from Go Goa Gone to my friend Emma back in the UK because I know she loves Bollywood and this song reminds me of the last time we partied together. So I'm missing you very much Emma and I can't wait to come back in a few days time and see you again. But till then, enjoy the song.
Wow. See, it's good to have lovers of Bollywood all across the world. Lekin now since you miss your friends so much and you like to party, so I think this song goes for you both. Well guys, अब हम slowly एक break लेंगे और fastly वापस आएंगे. आप लोग कहीं मत जाइए because you have to keep talking to me on my Twitter handle @KazooM.
Hi Nikita, this is Prakriti. I want to dedicate a song Taki Taki from Himatwala to my friend Ankita. She loves dancing on this song and she's a very huge fan of Aditya.
Go zoom it. Go zoom it.
Welcome back guys, this is your social jockey Nikita and you're watching Sumit. Well, अब हम जरा अपनी अगली रिक्वेस्ट देखते हैं. It is Cool Chusle जो डेडिकेट किया है तोशाक डोंगरे ने for Swapnil and उनका मैसेज is go office because Monday is on the way. खूनी Monday will kill you. खून चूस ले तू मेरा Monday. क्यों आता है तू हर वीक मनहूस? Monday से इतनी नफरत. But you know what, I can understand. After all, weekend is party time, chilling time, also meet your social jockey time. So it's understandable. लेकिन you know what, कभी-कभी काम करना भी जरूरी है. So guys, now it's sweet tweet time. Well, it's by Neha Dhupia who has tweeted saying, also at Manish Malhotra's show was Neelam Verma all the way from Canada. Show her some love tweets. Well, so guys, show some love for Neha's friend and we'll go back to our love for music and check out our next request, which is a video request. So let's see.
Hi everybody, I want to dedicate Balam Pichkari to Jo Tune Mujhe Mari to my nephew Shaurya who stays in Jaipur and he likes this song too much and even dances on this. So Shaurya, this song is from your Bua. Love you.
So Shaurya, as you dance very well, आप आज जयपुर में बैठ के डांस करिए because we are playing this song specially for you from your Bua. Mwah. Well guys, so after Balam Pichkari, we have some more of Ranbir coming up for you because our next request is Love Ki Ghanti जो request किया है प्रियम सिंह ने for Nikita the host. Wow. And उनका message is, ये song मैंने तुम्हें इसलिए dedicate किया है क्योंकि you look very pretty and I always turn on the TV every Saturday and Sunday not for the songs but to look at you. So please be my friend on Facebook. Please Nikita. You see, messages like this is what makes my day. Thank you so much. वैसे आप मुझसे ट्विटर पे बातें कर सकते हैं और माय ट्विटर हैंडल @KazooM एंड अभी के लिए चले आई एम गोना डेडिकेट दिस सॉन्ग टू यू गाइस. अब लव की घंटी के बाद ब्रेक की घंटी बजी है सो वी गोना टेक अ शॉर्ट ब्रेक लेकिन कहीं मत जाए बिकॉज़ यू हैव टू कीप टॉकिंग टू मी ऑन माय ट्विटर हैंडल @KazooM.
Hi Nikita, this is Prakriti. I want to dedicate a song Taki Taki from Himatwala to my friend Ankita. She loves dancing on this song and she's a very huge fan of Aditya.
Go zoom it. Go zoom it.
Welcome back guys, this is our social jockey Nikita and you're watching Sumit. Well, let's check out our next request now, which is Jani Q and it's a video message, so let's see.
Hey, this is Shashank here and I want to request the song Jani Q from Dostana to all my college friends. Basically, this song is more of an overview of the the kind of time we spent in college. Basically the late nights, hangouts and days where we have no money absolutely and we have to really beg for and all that. So this goes out to all the friends in college. I miss them. I haven't really caught up with them, so it's more like, you know, a dedication to all those people I knew in college.
Well, college days are truly the most memorable days and the friends are the most unforgettable friends. इसलिए अपने जितने कॉलेज फ्रेंड्स हैं उनसे जरा वापस टच में आओ एंड फॉर नाउ सिंस यू आर मिसिंग देम सो मच एंड जस्ट टू रीलिव दोस ओल्ड स्टेइंग ब्रोक मोमेंट्स एंड लेट नाइट पारिंग मोमेंट्स दिस सॉन्ग इज फॉर यू. Well, today seems to be like a continuation of Friendships Day. तभी तो एक के बाद एक हमारे पास इतने friendship messages और songs आ रहे हैं. Well, our next message is also a friendship message. It is the song Gulabi, which is requested by Supreet for Nikhil, and the message is, "Hi Nikhil, I miss you a lot. We haven't met for years. We were studying in the same school, but I left it and joined another school. Miss you a lot. Hope to see you again someday. Take care." Well, अगर आप इतना मिस कर रहे हो तो I hope you are in touch through Facebook or Twitter at least. And दूसरी बात, as I was just talking about Sushant and Pariniti, now check out Sushant with Wani in this song and tell me which pair you like better. Well, अब गुलाबी तो हो गया. I'm going to show you something green. Well, because our next Twitter update is by Sushmita Sen, who has tweeted saying, "For my friends who requested the color green, here it is. Always such a joy sharing with you beautiful people." Well, that's her going eco-friendly. Lekin you know what? I think Sushmita Sen is one person who loves her fans truly. And इसी बात पे we're going to take a short break. So कहीं मत जाइए. Keep talking to me on my Twitter handle @RateGoZoomIn, and I'll be right back.
Hi Nikita, this is Prakriti. I want to dedicate a song Taki Taki from Himatwala to my friend Ankita. She loves dancing on this song and she's a very huge fan of Aditya.
Go zoom it. Go zoom it.
Hello again people, this is your social jockey Nikita and you're watching Zoom It. Well, अब जरा हम देखेंगे अपनी ugly request, which is a video request.
Hi Nikita, this is Prakriti. I want to dedicate a song Taki Taki from Himatwala to my friend Ankita. She loves dancing on this song and she's a very huge fan of Aditya.
So wow, we have an Ajay Devgan fan out here. वैसे अगर आप लोगों ने उनका intense और serious character enjoy किया है सत्याग्रह में, so now check out the funny side of him. So guys, now it's time to check out another sweet tweet, which is by Sonakshi Sinha, and she has tweeted saying, "One of my favorite funny pictures from Once Upon a Time in Mumbai Dobara, playing Chor Police with Milan Luthria, wanted to share now that the film's out." लगता है कि Once Upon a Time in Mumbai दोबारा के बाद ये लोग अपने बचपन में दोबारा चले गए. लेकिन अब सोनाक्षी सिन्हा की बात हुई है, so let's check out another song by Sonakshi Sinha, which is Go Govinda, and it's requested by Sarvesh for Kumar Amur, and उनका message is, "Hello, happy Krishna Janmashtami to you and your family. Enjoy Mumbai Dahi Handi this time. It'll be great fun, and I'm sure that you'll love it." That's right. मुंबई या दही हंडी की बात ही कुछ और है. एंड इसी बात पे गाइस, दिस इज विशिंग यू अ वेरी हैप्पी जन्माष्टमी. लेकिन यू नो व्हाट, अगर आप इस गाने को चेकआउट करें, इसमें सोनाक्षी सिन्हा ने ठुमके तो बहुत जबरदस्त मारे हैं, लेकिन आई जस्ट कुडंट गेट माय आईज ऑफ हर येलो शूज. इफ यू डोंट बिलीव मी, चेक इट आउट. So guys, with this song we come to an end of the show. लेकिन जाने से पहले I have to again remind you that you have to keep sending your requests on apps.facebook.com/gozoomin and अपनी video request भी भेजते रहिएगा on gozoomin@gmail.com, and don't forget to keep chit-chatting with me on my Twitter handle @gozoomin. This is your social jockey Nikita saying goodbye, and I'm going to see you tomorrow same time, same place. So till then, don't just like it, go zoom it.
Go zoom it.